My family will tell you I'm nothing like I was when I was 18. Um, but I think I found myself wanting to achieve excellence, and that's what I found out about myself. Like, I'm willing to put in 12-hour days, 7 days a week. We just had a American holiday weekend. I did that the entire 3-day weekend. I put in 12 plus hours every day in front of a computer. I didn't get to enjoy it at all, but I'm so passionate that I found that I can push through anything, and like that's not going to affect me because I know what we're working on is so valuable that the technology we're developing now and in the future can very well be the reusable technology that allows humans to survive in deep space, because you can change it out or service it, and means that, you know, 50 years from now, we might be living on Mars. So I found that out that, I'm the right person. I've seen all the signs, and I hope that people will join me so that we can, build this and build it for the future. I wouldn't say there's much of any specific moment to answer that, because I'm not lying. It is every day that you're hitting a wall and feeling that. But what I would say is the ability to overcome that is what's really come out of it. Is like, no matter what wall we hit, there's a way around it. We'll figure out a way. And there's been many a times from the transition from wine troughs and starting fresh as Modularity. That's a huge change. Total rebrand, total different focus, total fresh start. After 3.5 years of already doing something full time, to the push for now where we're at now, where we're like scaling. We, raised money and a lot of support from the Air Force and the Space Force to really, and NASA, to really develop future technology. It's always hard, but you just got to get to the point where you know you can overcome it.